Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and of course do share this video. So you guys, Mpumelelo's baby mama Vuyokazi did her very first TikTok vlog showing us her day without her baby daddy Mpumelelo by her side. At this time she did a spend the day with me mini vlog with a friend. They went to a restaurant and a spa in Cape Town, and I know you guys are very much interested in watching the vlog and seeing how the day went. So let me not waste your time but quickly insert that video here. But before I do that, do make sure that you've liked, you've shared, and you have also subscribed or followed me so that you get to see more whenever I upload a video. Here's the video.
Hi guys, Ninjani. So I'm gonna be very quick with this one. Izolo, I went with my friend to the spa and to Onyx, yeah. So ke kangena, like everything's just so relaxing, and Kasana is pregnant, guys. I do need a spa. So when we got there, they gave us gowns to wear. I don't know why I'm saying us yet, kuba look at me late. So ndangena ngokumna bangiqale eyami session. Yeah, so when I started, everything was nice, you know. Guys, not relaxed. So my friend, she finally came, and we late here. So we decided that we're gonna have some tea ngaphandle. Yeah. And then we decided that but I didn't have my bathing, so my friend wangena and she decided to look sexy in the pool. Yeah, and then we were there. So Cape Town at this time, guys, like, and as I think Cape Town in a mood, so if you don't use it, then yeah. So we went to Life Grand, Gobe Silambile, and then we had a meal. Yeah, that's all.